morning students. I am Satish Suryavanshi. I am maths teacher in Genbas Ramosi Junior College, Eroda Unit 6. I have 20 years experience of teaching maths in Genbas Ramosi Junior College, Eroda Unit 6. I welcome you all in math e-learning session. Now today we are going to start the exercise number 5, word problems. So let us consider first question. The cost of 4 pencils and 3 pens and 2 books is rupees 150. The cost of 1 pencil, 2 pens and 3 books is rupees 125. The cost of 6 pencils, 2 pens and 3 books is rupees 175. Full stop. Find the cost of each item by using matrices. So now let us consider first example. So here let the rupees X, rupees Y and rupees Z be the cost of one pencil, one pen and one book respectively. So hence the above information we get the following equations. So write down the equations. It is 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 150. Second one, x plus 2y plus 3z is rupees 125. Now the cost of 6 pencils, 2 pens and 3 books is rupees, means 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 175. So these are these 3 simultaneous equations. The given equations can be written in matrix form as Ax is equals to B. So where A is the matrix of coefficient, X is the matrix of variables and B is the matrix of constant. So now to write here matrix, it is 4 1 6 3 2 2, then 2 3 3. X is the matrix of variable x y z is equals to 150 125 175. So give number 1. Now here you can solve this example by any way. Either you find inverse by elementary transformation, find inverse by adjoint method, find inverse by column transformation. So now reduce this matrix into the form of upper triangular matrix, means below the diagonal elements are zeros. So first to make this 1 here, so how to make here 1? By using operation R1 implies R2 or R12. So what is the meaning of R12? Interchange second row as a first row as a second row. So now this matrix interchange second row as a first row as a second row. So write here 1 2 3 x y z then it is 125, then first row as the second row, so 4 3 2 is 150, then 6 2 3, and then 175. So now first make this one, but here 1 is present. Now to obtain these two zeros here, so to obtain the zero here, using operation R2 implies R2 minus 4 times R1. So operate here into matrix is equals to this matrix. It is 1 2 3 x y z. It is 125. The element of third row, keep as it is 175. So now operate here R2 minus 4 times R1 means 4 minus 4, it is 0. R2 is 3 minus 4 into 2, which is 3 minus 8, means it is minus 5. Now operate here R2 is 2 minus 4 into 3 is 2 minus 12, means it is minus 10. Then here R2 is 150 minus 4 into 125 is equals to 150 minus 500 is minus 350. Now to obtain the zero here, so to obtain by operating this operation using R3 implies R3 minus 6 times R1. So now operate here, it is 1 2 3 x y z, then it is 125, then 0 minus 5 minus 10 minus 350. Then apply here R3 minus 6 minus 6, it is 0. R3 is 2 minus 6 into 2, it is 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Then R3 means 3 minus 6 into 3 is 3 minus 18, which is minus 15, is minus 15. Then operate here 175 minus 6 times 125 is 175 minus 750. So is equals to what? Minus 575. Now by using next operation using minus R2 and minus R3. So here x y z is equals to the matrix. It is 1 2 3 125. Now multiply by minus 1 to each element in the second row, so it is 0, minus minus plus 5, then which is plus 10. Now 350. Then it is 0, minus minus plus 10, it is plus 15, then it is 575. Now next operation using 1 by 5 times R2 and 1 by 5 times R3. Means divide the second row by 5, third row by 5. So matrix is equal to this matrix. It is 1, 2, 3, x, y, z. It is 125. So now divide by 5 here. It is 0. 5 upon 5 it is 1. 10 by 5 is 2. Then it is 70. Then divided by 5 here. 0, it is 2, it is 3, and then it is 115. Now obtain the 0 here. So how to obtain? By using operation. So R3 implies R3 minus 2 times R2. Then matrix x, y, z is equals to this matrix. It is 1, 2, 3, 125 is 0, 1, 2, it is 70. Then R3 minus 0 it is 0. Then 2 minus 2 it is 0. Then 3 minus 4 it is minus 1. Then 150 minus 70 which is 25 minus 25. Minus 25. Now take the product of these two matrices. So it is matrix. So multiply by this row to this column, multiply by second row to this column, multiply by third row to this column. So multiply by each element in this row to each element in this column, and then adding this is 1 into x, it is x, plus 2 into y, it is 2y, plus 3 into z, it is 3z, is 125. So it is 0 plus y plus 2z is equal to 70. Then here 0 plus 0 minus z is minus 25. Now by definition of equality of two matrices, by using definition of equality of two matrices, so therefore their corresponding elements are same, means x plus 2y plus 3z is 125. So number 1 here. Second equation is y plus 2z is 70. So number 2 here. And then minus z is equals to minus 25. So therefore z is equals to 25. Now put z is equals to 25. Put z is equals to 25 in equation 2. We get, so y plus 2 into 25 is 70. So y plus 50 is 70. So therefore y is equals to 70 minus 50, which is equals to 20. Now putting these values in, put y is 20, z is 25 in equation 1. We have, so it is equation 1, it is x plus 2 into 20 plus 3 into 25 is 125. So therefore x plus 40 plus 75 is 125. So therefore x is 125 minus 115, which is equals to 10. So therefore, the cost of one pencil is 10 rupees. Rupees 10 is rupees 10. The cost of one pen is rupees 20, and the cost of one book is rupees 25. So in this way, finish here. Thank you.